Hello, foodies! Welcome back. Today, we have a special treat for you. We're diving into the world of pasta with a classic Italian favorite: potato gnocchi. These little pillows of heaven are not only delicious but surprisingly easy to make at home. So, let's roll up our sleeves and get started. Boiling the potatoes. First things first, we need to cook our potatoes. Start by peeling and chopping them into evenly sized pieces. Then, place them in a pot of boiling water until they're fork tender. Mashing the potatoes. Once your potatoes are cooked, it's time to mash them. You can use a potato masher or a fork. The goal is to achieve a smooth, lump-free consistency. Adding flour and egg. Now, let's add our dry ingredients. Sprinkle in some all-purpose flour. Add a pinch of salt, and crack in an egg. This will bind everything together and give our gnocchi that perfect texture. Kneading the dough. Turn your mixture onto a floured surface and start kneading it gently. Be cautious not to over-knead. We want our gnocchi to be light and fluffy, not tough. Rolling and cutting. Host. Divide your dough into smaller sections and roll each one into a long, thin rope. Then, cut the rope into bite-sized pieces. These will be our individual gnocchi. Creating indentations. To give our gnocchi that traditional look, use a fork to gently press and create indentations on one side. This not only adds charm but helps the sauce cling to the gnocchi later. Cooking the gnocchi. Bring a pot of salted water to a gentle boil and carefully drop in your gnocchi. They'll cook quickly, once they float to the surface. They're ready to be scooped out. Final touch. Now, it's time to dress up our gnocchi. You can go for a classic marinara sauce, a brown butter sage sauce, or whatever your heart desires. Don't forget a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese. And there you have it, homemade potato gnocchi. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more delicious content, and let us know in the comments what recipe you'd like to see next. Until then, happy cooking. Thanks for joining us today. Remember, good food is made with love. So get in that kitchen and start cooking. See you in the next video.